In this video, I'll show you how to buy cars in GTA 5 story mode. If this video helps you, please consider subscribing my YouTube channel and liking the video. So before you purchase any kind of car, you have to purchase the garage first, and only then you can purchase cars in story mode. So first thing is just go to this location. This is the garage we need to purchase first. Now I am on the same location, so let me just get closer to the garage, and here you can see I'm getting the option for press E to enter the garage. So I'm getting the option for enter garage, but in case if you don't have purchased the garage before, you need to purchase it first. Once you purchase the garage, it's time to purchase some cars now. So for that, just open your mobile phone and go to the internet, and here we need to click on travel and transport. Then here you will find couple of websites, and one of them is Legendary Motorsport. So from here you can just purchase any cars you want, and many bikes you will see as well. So let me scroll a bit until I find the better car for me. So this one is looking good, so I'll just select it. Then here you have the option to select the color. I'll just select the red color. Now click on order, and now you can see we have successfully purchased the car, and similarly you can purchase couple of this. So this car is also looking good. I'll select it, select the color, and yeah, we have purchased this one as well. So I want one more, so I'll just select, let's suppose this one, and just click on order. Now we have purchased 3 cars from here, and now it's time to see where they are now. Once your car is delivered, you will get the email from Legendary Motorsport or from the website from where you have purchased the cars. So you can see the email right here. You can just check the email on the mobile phone as well. So here you can see we got the email. So now it's time to check them on the garage. So for that, just let me go to the garage, and yeah, you can see we got the cars right here. So yeah guys, that's how you can purchase cars in GTA 5 story mode. Now if you think I was a big help, can you please subscribe me? If you do, I would really appreciate it. But for now, thanks for watching. Bye bye.